What's up? I'm Funner, and welcome to my tutorial series, or should I say part 3A. So, it seems to be that you have a 3D printer, makes most of the parts way easier, and in this tutorial I'm going to talk you through how and show you how I made the jaw for the yellow rabbit. What are you gonna need for tools? You'll need your good old hot glue gun. You'll need cutting utensils. What things will you need to 3D print? The upper and lower row. Not to forget, you will also need to 3D print the hinges. Now all the 3D models are in the description. You can also find them on my Patreon for free, of course. And of course, if you want to support me making all these tutorials, maybe drop a like and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the bell if you want to get notified if there's new episodes on this. After everything is clean, we're gonna prepare your 3D printed teeth pieces. Now, you can go a very complicated route of using sandpaper and sanding this all down perfectly, or you can just leave it be and spray paint it like 20 coats. Now I'm gonna sand it down a little bit at least. So, after you're satisfied with making this all look a bit more better, next part will be, spray painting them white. Even though they might be already white, you see, this spray painted look will make it way smoother often. Of course, this is not perfect. This is like my first prototype spray painting, and I hope for this to look way greater. So, the next part I did live on stream. So, what are you looking at me at, cat? Don't miss out on any streams of mine where I play either video games or even do cosplay. I always try to be as entertaining as I can be. It often can come to some moments like, what have I created? Or, you guys stinky. To get these grills on here, I need to have to cut them down so they go like down. So if you didn't understand what the Craven Me said, is basically cutting in a little cavity for the jaw teeth to get inserted, so they are like a bit more inside the jaw. You will see more in a short bit. Shit, guys, we just hit our all-time high. We have 10 viewers. It's good. Look at that. Like, right, guys? I just need to, what I did, like I said, is cut this here off, this whole strip of stuff, so this here just easily goes inside. Now after you've cut a little cavity for the teeth and glued the teeth in there, you will have to do the same thing with the top teeth, like on the head base, which I am doing right now, to then fit the teeth inside and glue them in there. Hot glue's on. Now it goes on there. If you have seen in the smart frame, there, down there, you see this cavity. I've done the same thing for the top teeth, and I stick them in there, like glue them in there now. That's what I'm doing. The next part is going to be there. If it's not released yet, you can go check out maybe on my Patreon. There's going to be behind the scenes for you to enjoy, but beware, you have to pay a little fee to support this channel. But yeah,